Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Void Board Roofing. Today we're going to talk about silicone coatings and how they react to the thermal movements of a metal roof. I don't know if you knew this, but did you know metal roofs, they expand when it gets hot out and they contract when it gets cold out. And this creates a problem with coating systems because if your coating cannot expand and contract with the roof, it can cause cracking, blistering, and which can cause easy access for water to get into your system. So it's really a big thing out there. That's why the top manufacturers, they're all making what's called an elastomeric coating. And pretty much what it means is it can expand and contract without losing any of its waterproofing properties. It won't crack, won't blister, etc. But there's a couple of keywords that you can learn just to familiarize yourself with how good the coating can expand and contract. So the first keyword when we're talking about elastomeric coatings is tensile strength, which is really the pressure before something snaps. So it could be 200 psi, 300 psi, etc. There's a certain minimum threshold that all the manufacturers use, but really I like to think of it as like a rubber band. Will it snap when you put 200 psi of pressure on it, 300, etc. You get the point. And then the next thing is elongation, which is similar to tensile strength, but it's really measured as a percentage of the length of the object. So coming back to the rubber band, that might be this long. If you stretch it 200%, will it snap? If you stretch it 300%, will it snap? Etc. But I just wanted to give you some couple terms out there that a roofing contractor can teach you more about when you're asking about what kind of elastomeric coating can go over your metal roof so that it can fluctuate with the movements of thermal. The last thing that people ask us a lot is silicone coatings the only type of elastomeric coating out there? And it's not. There's acrylics and urethanes. They have their pros and cons, but most contractors stick to silicone. It's just the best bang for the buck, handles water the best, a couple other things, but just wanted to get you familiar with what's going on here. If you want to learn more, please click the description at the bottom. There's a link to a blog post where you can learn more about the subject. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.